Hello, today we're going to be talking about the Rainbird Cirrus Irrigation Data Software System. So, for starters, we're going to input some front nine greens into the hole. So we go up here to Program Schedule Detail, and this screen will pop up. As you can see, I've already uploaded some data for other areas. But to add the front greens, we go here, Add Program. We'll then label it as to what area of the green it is, or what area of the course it is, rather. And then we go highlight it, and then click in the top left corner for the view schedules for this program. And this is in this screen. This is where you'll add all of the greens, all 9. But just to show you, I'm only going to add 3. But you continue on. So then you label it as 1G. 2G, 3G. So this is 1 green, 2 green, 3 green. You then go back up to the top and then click the next button tab in the sequence. And click here. You then add a new area and then insert the area that you want added. So for this one, 1G. You then move it over into the station sequence, and then all of it will pop up with the data for each sprinkler head. You then go to 2G and rinse and repeat this process. So 2G, again, data pops up. 3, again, and then the data will pop up. So then once you've got all that data uploaded, you can then go here and set for what runtime you want it to be at, right? So 10 o'clock p.m. And then you can, from here, you can also change the dates. However, there's a quicker way to do it. So to do that, we're going to go down here and hit add. So then from here, we then click the Q, which is the quick irrigation, and this screen pops up. So if we wanted to still just do the front 9, we just select all front 9 holes. We select the areas we want to talk about, so the greens. We then also adjust the days we want it to be watered, so these greens get watered on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, so we can take out Tuesday, Thursday, as well as insert the start time we wish them to start at, which is midnight. We've got the area, the start time, the days, and the run time. We then hit we just gotta make sure that we have our timing of the AM PM correct too. That's always a good thing. We then hit OK, and now this is set for this time. However, we want to make sure they're in 5-minute intervals, so we then add 4 more watering times. So 1 AM, 2, 3 AM, and 3 AM. We then go back and change the percentage to 50%. So if they're at a 10-minute runtime, we then cut that to 50% to make it 5 minutes. And then once this is programmed, we can then check off to make sure we're running this program. Make sure this is the only one running. Exit out of there. And then if we go to the dry run, we then select what day it is. So we want it to be on a Monday because that's when the greens are set for. The start time, we can have them set for 11 p.m. and the stop time for it. So then we just hit play and let's watch it unfold. So, the issue is just having the dates clicked around. So we can go back to the dates and keep it here. And now let's run it. And as you can notice, a common pattern among each watering one. Well, since we're watering the entire front 9 greens, its 10-minute interval is broken up into 5 minutes. So half of the sprinklers will be on for 5 minutes, and then the other half will be on for the 5 minutes. So these are 10-minute increments for each 10-minute increments, but of watering, but 5 minutes for each head. And that is how you insert a irrigation software system a hole into an irrigation software system. I hope you learned something. I'm sure I'll be talking to you later. Peace out.